StreamYard.com.
Okay, students, here we are with the question of previous year questions. We are solving the previous year questions at 500 Kelvin rate of decomposition of a sample of gaseous aldehyde. Okay, this is a gaseous aldehyde initially at a pressure of, that is P1. Okay, so P1 was 1 torr, that means this is R1. Okay, 1, it is R1 and 5% reacted. So 5% reacted means this is X. So what will be A minus X? A minus X is going to be 95. Okay. And this is R2. What is this? This is R2. And 33% reacted. So this is X. So A minus X will be 100 minus 33. That is going to be 67%. Then order of reaction. What you have to find out? You have to find out order of reaction. Very good. Okay. So I am erasing this. I am keeping only values. So formula will be R1 by R2 is equal to square root of A1 A minus X1 divided by A minus X2. Okay. So to the power of n. This is the formula we are going to use. Understood? What is n here? This is what order we have to find out. Now R1. What was R1? 1. Okay. Substituting this, R1 is equal to 1. R2 is equal to 2 is equal to, in the first, when this was the reaction, that time it was 95. Okay. And when it is 0.2, this is 67. Understood? So on simplifying, this is going to be 2. This is going to be 2. This is going to be 1.414. Okay. On simplifying, I am telling you approximately. So this is 60 into 1.5. 60 into 1.5 it is 90. So approximately I am writing so that I can get the square. Okay. So here on simplifying, this can be written as 0.414 whole square. Okay, sorry, 1.414 whole square is equal to this one. That means second order reaction. Order is what? Second order reaction. Okay, so n is equal to what? Rate of reaction will be second order reaction. Okay, here is the next question. A reaction is given where A gives product. Okay, and in this one, concentration of A, it was initially 0.1 and after 40 minutes, 0.25 it became. Okay, then find the rate of reaction. R you have to find out when concentration of A is equal to 0.01. Okay, so I will give you the hint. Formula will be R is equal to K into A to the power of 1. This is the hint I am giving you. You can solve it and you can tell me the final answer. Okay, so here why I am written 1? Because it is a first order kinetics. From K, where from I will get? By using this. See, there is a keen observation is to be done. Okay, in my lecture, one. Okay, I have seen your answers. Let me explain. Okay, in one of the lectures I told you how to find out K from the half-life to half-life. 75%. This is what T 75%. 0.1 when it reaches to 0.025, that means 0.75 is used. So with that you can find out half-life time. Half-life time can be used up here as a K. Then you can find out the R value, rate of reaction. Okay. Okay. First here what is required? K is required. For that, as it is a first order kinetics, K is equal to 2.303 upon T. T how much you will put? 40 minutes. Okay. Into log A. Initially how much it was? 0.1. divided by reach 2. This is the final concentration. Reach by is something else, reach 2 is something else. Very good. Okay, 0.025. So by simplifying, what you will get? K you will get. You can, after simplification, you can put it here. Okay, and 0.01 you can put it by going like this, you can put it here, and R you are going to get after simplification, A option. Okay, what is the correct answer? 3.47 into 10 to the power of -4. See, here both are very tricky answers, tricky solutions. One answer is 10 to the power of -4. Okay, 3.47 into 10 to the power of -4. K you are getting, after simplifying this, you are getting 0.0347. Okay, so 0.0347 into 10 to the power of -2. So 3.47 into 10 to the power of -4 will be the correct answer. Okay. Okay, in this question, in a first order reaction, concentration of reactant decreases from 800 is the initial concentration, decreases to, this is the final concentration. Okay, and time taken is 2 into 10 to the power of 4 seconds. Then rate constant of reaction, second inverse we want. Okay, okay. Okay, good. So now I am explaining how to use this and how to solve this question. Okay, in this question, react decreases from 800 to 50. Okay, good. So here K, what he want? K is equal to, as it is told that first order kinetics. So 2.303 upon T. What is time given? Rate of constant in 2.2 into 10 to the power of 4 seconds into log, actually it is supposed to write here, log A is 800 and it is 50. So if you simplify this, answer will be somewhere around C, 1.386 into 10 to the power of -4 is the correct answer. Is it understood? Any doubt in this question? In photochemical reaction, rate of reaction not only depends on concentration, but also depends on intensity of light. Okay, what it will depend? Depends on intensity of light. Therefore, rate of formation of product, that means rate of reaction only. Okay, so R is equal to K into C into I. Okay, what is here C? It is the intensity of absorbed light. So in haloalkanes, haloarenes, you might find that diffused light and dark, the reaction can take place in dark even violently, but in diffuse light more violently, in normal light more violently. Okay, so that means intensity increases, then rate of reaction increases. It also depends on the concentration of reactant AB. Okay. Hello students, now we are into the same previous year question, next question. Okay, in the reaction P plus Q gives S plus R. This is the reaction already available, and in this reaction, if we have to carry out P plus Q gives S plus R, P plus Q gives S plus R. Okay, so in this reaction there are two different information given regarding to the P as well as for Q. Okay, so for P information is given, for information given is, okay, so information about the P is given that 75% of reaction is equal to time taken 2 times of the 50% of the reaction. Okay. First part is 75% time taken is 50% time taken is twice. For this is it 2 times. That is 10 minutes. If it is, then it will be 20 minutes. If it is x minute, this will be 2x minutes. And for the q, this is the graph. That means for the p, we will use this information. For q, you will use this graph. Then adding both of them, you will come to know about the total overall order of reaction. Okay. So what is the answer? You can tell me. So according to this graph, 75% is twice of the 50%. That means with respect to it is first order reaction. What it is? First order reaction. Okay. With respect to the P, what is the order of reaction? It is a first order reaction with respect to P. Now let us take about the graph. In the graph, Q naught is here. That means concentration is decreasing when time is increasing. Okay. So this graph is applicable for zero order reaction. Okay. So let us take here, if it is R is there, then this will be constant. Rate of reaction is constant for zero order. But as time increases, concentration will keep on decreases linearly. Okay. So that means it is a zero order. Okay. With respect to zero order, with respect to P, first order, 1 plus 0, answer is what? D. That is order of reaction is what? First order reaction. Why it is first order now? Is it understood? Okay, in this question, the rate of reaction doubles. Okay, so from this, what we have to write down, rate of reaction doubles means K2 is equal to 2K1. Rate of reaction doubles. This sentence meaning is here, K2 is equal to 2K1. When temperature changes from 300 to 310. Okay, so when temperature is changing from what? 300 to 310. So here T2 is how much? You can take either minus this, and if you take that minus inside, okay. Some books it is given as minus here, and T1 should be here. If you are taking minus here, T1 should be. Otherwise, what I will do, I will according to this formula T2 minus T1. Okay. Now, according to if it is minus is there, then I have given you in one lecture derivation also. Here T2 will be what? 310. Okay. And T1 will be what? 300. Understood? So if you are keeping the minus here, if you are keeping the minus here, then T2 will be 310 and T1 will be 300. Always T1 will be less than the T2. Okay. So that this can come as a positive. Activation energy is amount of energy required. So energy required must be positive for that selection here. And K2 by K1 is equal to what you will get after substituting, you will get log 2. Log 2 value also given 0.3010. EA value you have to find out. Find activation energy. R value how much you will use? R value 8.314 you will use. Okay. But main problem is that when you use R value as 8.314, you are going to get answer in the joules. But final answer must be in kilojoules. Final answer must be in what? Kilojoules. So you can divide it by 1000 so that you can convert back into the kilojoules. Okay. So if you substitute all values and simplify, then you will get 53.60. What is the answer? 53.60 are A option. Okay. Option A and C 53.60 is the correct answer. So according to this question, he is asking about the correct graph showing the relation between rate constant and T. Okay. Rate constant and T, which is the correct formula. Okay. So I will explain now. Listen carefully. So first formula you should know. This is related to which question? This question is related to the Arrhenius equation. What is the Arrhenius equation? K is equal to A into K is equal to A into e to the power of minus EA upon RT. Okay. Now what variable we are selecting? K and T. K and T. See here, K is with respect to minus, it is inversely proportional. and upon it is there inversely. Inverse of inverse directly proportional. Okay, inverse of inverse is directly proportional. So this graph you will get when it is inversely proportional. This graph you will get when it is inversely proportional. But question is about directly proportional. That's why this graph cannot be question. This graph cannot be. Now, how to solve this? This is also directly proportional. This is also directly proportional, but this is linearly directly proportional. This is exponential. Here, exponentially directly proportional are there. Hence, what is the correct answer? A answer. K is exponentially directly proportional to T. If you apply the logarithm, then linear functionality will come. That time B will be there. Is it understood? So how to approach the from the options? Is it clear now? So option which is correct, A option is correct. Okay, here this is a first order reaction, and this question rate constant, instead of giving directly, he has given in the equation form. Okay, so log K is equal to 2000 upon T plus 6. Then pre-exponential factor. What is pre-exponential factor? A you have to find out. Activation energy, EA you have to find out by comparing this equation with the certain equation. Okay. So let's see who will give the correct answer. Then listen to my explanation to check whether your answer is correct or not. Okay. Okay, see here. So this is the equation from which you have to compare and say. Okay, so here A, in place of A, what it is there? Log A. So A will be is equal to anti-log of 6. Anti-log of 6 will be very simple. It will be 10 to the power of 6. Okay, so 10 to the power of 6 here is there, here is there, here is there. That means it cannot be. So eliminate B option. Now options left over with us are A and C and D. Okay, so why not B? Is it understood? Okay, then after that you compare these two terms. Okay, so T remove that. That means EA upon 2.303 R. Is it visible to all of you? EA upon 2.303. In this place, what I am finding out is equal to 200. Okay. So I want EA value. So when I substitute and get D option 38.3, I will get. Okay. R value 8.314, 2.303 already there. So 200 into 2.303 into 8.314. Then I will get which answer correct? D answer is correct. Why is it D answer? Is it understood now? Okay, should I erase this? Now ready for the next question. We wanted to cover maximum to maximum question in minimum to minimum time. Okay, in this question under same condition, this is A0. What is given? A0 is given. Okay, and half-life when it is first order, half-life is 40 seconds, and second zero order, then it is 20 seconds. That means order changes, half-life also changing. Then rate constant of first order to rate constant of zero order you have to find out. Okay. I think if you are aware, for first order is equal to 0.693 upon T half. Okay. So then K0 is equal to A0 by 2K. Is it understood? Sorry. 2 T half. Okay. So I will substitute and divide. So 0.693 divided by T half for the first order is 20. This is equation 1. And here A0 1.386 divided by 2 into T half is 40. Okay. So this 1 divided by K1 by K0. So if you divide them, you will get 0.5 as a correct answer. So those who have opted A, that means they are successful in their life. Understood? Okay, very good. So in this question, it is 8 times. When it is doubled, you are not. He is not asking individually. Actually, other information is given just to waste your time. Understood? So once it is becoming 8 times with respect to 2 times, that means 2 to the power of 3. So directly answer will be D option. You need not to study something. This you have to study and process when he is asking about H. Okay, so H is fixed. So from the total order, you will subtract G order, then you will get H answer. Okay, is it understood? Answer is what? D. Okay, H is 2 and G will be 1 because here it is made 2 times, that rate of reaction also 2 times. Therefore, with respect to H, it is second order. With respect to G, it is first order. Overall order of reaction is how much? 3. Okay, very simple question. A catalyst is a substance which, so theory question, there should not be any calculation mistake. Still people are giving different answers. Okay, so answer for this question, increases equilibrium constant. No. Changes equilibrium concentration. This one is equilibrium concentration. So that's why it is no. It changes equilibrium constant. There is only one person we can change. Yes, I am receiving. So equal change in equilibrium constant is done only with temperature. Okay. So B option also wrong. And C option, shorten the time. That means decreases the time to reach equilibrium. This is correct. And supplies the energy. No, it does not supply. It reduces the requirement. Understood? So this is the graph. Suppose if you do not use the equilibrium, catalyst, this is the graph. Okay, and if we use the equilibrium, what do you call catalyst, this is going to be the graph. So time is reduced. What is reduced? Reduce the time, but equilibrium concentrations are same. Equilibrium concentrations will be same. Only what will be changing? Only the change will be in time will be reduced, and also activation energy will be reduced. Okay, so some catalyst increases or decreases time. Okay, now here question that is not there, no? So if any option is there, increases time, then that is also will be correct. Okay, is it understood? So this is wrong, this is wrong, this is wrong, only this question is correct.